today's video, I'm gonna be making mail art for my 100 followers giveaway, and this is the prize. I have a different video for a mail flip through on this one after I finish this. And I got these gift wrappers from a local arts and crafts store around in our place. And I'm going to be using these too in my mail art. But when I finished the envelope, it didn't go exactly as I planned. Because you know guys, how we can be when we're doing our mail art. Like, we don't usually plan, it just happens at the moment. So let's go. So I'm just gonna cut the size of my envelope in my gift wrapper. Let's just place them. And at this point, I don't think they're gonna go well together. So I just pulled out my old dictionary book. I'm going to use it instead of that flower gift wrap. So I'm just going to glue it in my envelope. I'm just going to cut the excess. Let's place it here. I'm just gonna tear it, so you know how I love to rip pages. So I'm just gonna get these printed map. I'm thinking of putting it here because I have a space there. I can see the envelope, but it didn't look nice, so I'm just gonna use cotton instead. White cotton. Put it like that. I'm just folding it and cutting it. There. I think that's alright. So I'm just gonna glue these pieces together with my envelope. Cutting the excess, of course. And gluing it again into our envelope. Be careful when cutting the edges, the excess papers on the sides, because you might cut the envelope itself. So let's be careful with that. And this is actually a blackboard sticker. I'm gonna use it as my. It's where I'm gonna put my address, I think. And I'm just cutting it with the right size, main size that I need, and the shape that I want. And I'm just gonna go get my brush pen. This brush pen is from Pilot, that's size small, yeah. And I'm just gonna do a calligraphy of my pen pal's name. And the winner is also my pen pal. Actually, she first won the giveaway and then became my pen pal. I'm just gonna write her name. You can follow her on Instagram at snailmail_Melic. And make sure to follow me also on Instagram. It's Art and Rosa. It's Artenenroa. I mean ROSAS. There. I'm just gonna draw an outline to my label, but to the side so it will look like a shadow. And I didn't really spend time measuring this one, so I was just hoping that everything will measure out just alright. It will be just my luck if it's right. There. I think it is right. We are lucky. I'm just gonna fuzzy cut this. So I was thinking of maybe adding this to the side. But in the end, I think I didn't use it anymore. I just place washi tapes instead. And I'm just going through my stuff. If I can look for something I can add in my envelope. And I didn't find anything on that box. I was thinking of doing it that way, but in the end I just went for washi tapes. Again, using my blackbird sticker. I'm going through my stamps and finding a perfect stamp for this one. And then there's my glass. I'm going to use my brush pen because I don't have any stamp pads, everyone. I only have one and it's gold and it barely worked. So I just added the black ink on the other side of it so I can use it to, dark some of the edges of the things that I want so I can still use it. I'm just gonna stamp these musical on the side. I'm gonna add these leaves. And I'm looking for a smaller leaf. And I'm using this brown art line brush pen to stamp it. I love it, guys. It just looks so amazing, right? Love it. And I'm gonna add washi tape on the right side of the envelope. And then cutting the excess. There, I was thinking of placing that one and tie a ribbon around it. But the washi tapes would be useless if I put it over the top. So I'm not gonna use it anymore. And for this one, I love to do this sometimes. I put ink on my clear stamp and stamp it on a scrap and then stamp it again on where I want it to be, so it'll look like faded. There. Now for my address label. I like how I did my address label in my previous vintage mail flip through, but I used a decorative tape of a old ticket. This one is a zigzag decorative scissors. I didn't use the ticket one because so a little different, you know. Again, I used my blackboard sticker. And I'm just gonna glue this cotton. And ta-da! We're done, and that's where my stamps will be. And I just decided that I want to add some little sparkle on the name as well as the address label. There.